Did I start the stream? Let's see. Let me check for my phone, Mhm. Yep, the stream started. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so let me put my phone here. So in this live stream, I'm gonna be trying to learn JavaScript from the beginning. I never ever like started learning about this like ever before the video. I probably should because it's gonna take a long time. But I don't intend this to be like a short stream because I want to learn quite a bit, and that is for my own project too. If you see my last short, I decided like started creating an app or like designing an app in my mind, and for me to do the coding of a front end, I need to learn JavaScript. So here we are today. This tastes like coconuts. Okay, so we can start. Is there anybody here? I don't know. So we're gonna be doing W3 schools exercises that are completely free online. I don't think it's going to be a problem if I like do these on stream because it's something you can access for completely free. You don't have to pay anything, and it's just like free exercises online. I don't see the issue here, so I'm just going to live stream me trying to understand it and do it. So yeah, let's go. So what was it? I think it was here. So there's a website called W3 Schools. I made a video on it like about 6 months ago, I believe, or probably earlier. It's just a free website where you can like learn coding. It's really good. So my goal for today's live stream is to start from here and go as much as possible. I don't really know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to like do all of these that come to the versions because I know it's gonna take time and but yeah, let's try our best. I don't know. I never ever attempted this in my life. Let's close this one. JavaScript can change HTML content. So I'm gonna be learning with you guys. This is the first time that I'm ever creating content like this, but I think it's pretty common on YouTube. I don't know. Let's see. JavaScript can change HTML content. One of many JavaScript HTML methods is get elements by ID. Example below finds an HTML element with ID demo and changes the element to inner HTML to hello JavaScript. Okay, let's see. So when I run this, result size, click me. So it changes the check. So like the text change, the text and changes it. I think. Okay, these are main things, so these have to be like included everywhere. I'm assuming. And just look and see when you like type voids, it's the same thing. So this is an action. Button type, button on click. Okay, so this is the events, but it doesn't say demo. It says JavaScript can change HTML contents. Hmm. Okay, so this is the title, and H2 is meant for titles, I'm assuming. I don't know. I need to be big brain. What can JavaScript do? So when I click it, so HTML body, what can JavaScript do? So let's like try. HTML body, and then if I remember correctly, there was H2. Um, I'm gonna try to do something different. JavaScript. Yeah, that's how you write it. Script can alter text. If I do this correctly, do I need to do something else? Let's see. If I write H2 here and if I press run, I think it's just gonna say JavaScript can alter text. Okay, so this is. So what about the 2? I don't get the 2. Is it like something for something? H2. What if I say H1? Does H stand for like headline? Oh, it's the. I get it. It's the size. So if I make it 3, it's gonna be smaller, I'm assuming. Hmm. So when you write an H, it can be like bold. I'm assuming. I want to see how far I can go. So let's try 4. Let's try 40. Is there 40? It's gonna be microscopic. Oh, it removes the bold completely. So how about it doesn't change like the size? How about 6? H6. Oh, it's still bold. Okay, I get the point. So let's do it 1. I think 1 is the perfect size where it's gonna be big. JavaScript can alter text, and in the body, I don't remember what we did. What is this? Change orientation, change theme, save codes, open menu. I want to restart the page. I want to see like what it's like. So I did this part correctly, I think. Oh, there's a slash here. I forgot to do the backslash. So there's PID demo. Let me try to practice it. So let's go here. PID equals demo. I don't get the demo thingy. Like, is this considered like demo? Because if it is, that's why clicking this, like clicking action changes this. But I don't see how like this is considered demo. Demo Java. I'm just gonna say Java. So dot. Hmm. Oh no no. Dot is not like important. So I'm gonna go here. There's slash p and another one of these. Did I type it correctly? Is there anything? Huh. That's so interesting. So if I were to like run this, Joe is cool, and let's like go back. I'm gonna try to add like another like button type, but I don't get like okay, I typed this, but why does it like randomly add it here, not here, or not here? I think it's not the whole thing, but there has to be like a way to put coordinates of the things that are gonna come out. So for example, if I want to like button to appear like here, I need to write something else. If I want to like appear here, I need to write something else. But I think this depends on the website and not my ability. But that's still cool. Like I think in the future I can learn about that too. So Java is cool. And now I'm gonna try to add a button. So let's do this. So button type equals, and I think you can use like this too. Oh, not this. Where was it? If I remember correctly, I think you can use two. I showed this in the tutorial. Button. Oh, I'm stupid. On click. So equal sign, another parenthesis. Interesting. So you use two. Doesn't matter like the order. I wonder. I don't think it does. Oh, I'm so stupid. I just realized that I'm not streaming the fucking thing. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm so smart, you guys. I'm swear. 1 second. BRB. Let me try to open this up. Like, how can you forget to like stream your background? That's just so stupid. Such a big blunder. I did that twice. I remember when I was playing a game. I think it was the world's hardest game, and I was playing it for like what 40 minutes, and I forgot to stream, and some dude in the chat said, "Dude, you're not streaming, you know, right?" And like, god damn it, that's so annoying. Okay, so let's continue. I think you guys can see it now. I don't like the ads. I don't want you guys to see the ads and be disturbed. So maybe I can like do like this. One click. So I'm gonna try this one. So because who cares? Dog. Was I supposed to do two? Okay, document. Oh, no, 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 no. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it. Documents dot get element. This is the function that they wanted me to use. Get elements by ID. So you go by parentheses. So I'm familiar with um uh C, so that's why it's easier for me to like dome. Demo. Did I type it wrongly? Dot inner HTML. Hmm. I may be doing a parentheses error. Let's just type. I remember like from my C lessons that it's kind of similar. These things are actually like very similar. Hello JavaScript. Why can't I script it? Scripts. Let's do. Oh, now this is certainly interesting. Click. I'm gonna be like. What should I say? I'm just gonna say like click if that's how you pronounce. Okay, that's definitely how you pronounce it. I got an idea. Yeah, how can I break this? That's my only thing. Okay, so I got this, and now I create these arrows again. Um, slash button and this. Why doesn't it work? So this thing is correct too. Let's like try to use the same like ones. So I'm gonna change this to this document that get element by demo. About inner HTML. Oh, there's another thing here. Let's do this. Oh, wrong button. It's gonna say hello JavaScript. So when I press this, I wanted to say something else. Let's say Java is the coolest. That's definitely how you write necessary, by the way. Hmm. Hmm. That's so cool. So I can just copy and paste this. Well, copying and paste it won't make me like learn. I have to like rewrite it again. I know I can just like copy and paste it, but that doesn't like help you learn code, you guys. You have to like for you to learn code, you have to like constantly write, so your hands are like used to it. That's how it works. So I'm going to create another one. I wonder what if like what happens if I just put this like let's cut this and let's paste it here. Would it change anything? So what if instead of like saying demo, what if demo? So instead of saying like demo, what if I like said Java is cool? So that like Java is cool is a string. So do I have to like implement something else if it's a string because that's how it is in like in C or Python. It's a little bit different. But I'm happy with the results right now. I think the main point is this PID equals demo. Java is cool. Oh, I get it now. I'm so stupid. You remember earlier I was saying like what is like how can we like define if this is like called demo? It literally describes it here. PID equals demo. It literally says it here. Ah. So if I like say PID let's say boron and Java is cool and it's gonna say Java is the coolest. Now when I run it, when I click this, it's gonna say Java is the coolest. No? Oh no, I forgot to change this. Sorry, my bad guys. Let's change this to boron. Let's run. So when I like click this, click if necessary, that's totally written correctly. It's gonna change this Java is cool to Java is coolest. Okay, I get it now. So we define the demo right here, which I overpassed. I'm so like not in the I'm not in the zone. I need a better song to be in the zone. It's crazy. I get an idea. What if I open the best song on the planet? What happens then? I'm assuming some dude is just gonna like wander here and he's gonna be like, what the frick is happening? You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I don't care, you guys. Just wait for me. I'm gonna go open the best song on the planet and I'm gonna put it on repeat. It's called Where Did You Go? And it's the best music that has ever been like created in the human history of humankind. Um, I wonder if it's like, oh my God, okay. You know what? I don't care anymore for now. Oh my God, this is so okay, here goes nothing. Oh my God. Yes. I'm not gonna comment. Very good music. I'm gonna subscribe actually. This is like unmatched music. Where was I? Yeah. I'm probably gonna get copyright strikes. Did she go? In this example, JavaScript can changes the value of the src source attribute of an image tag. So turn, oh, that's so cool. Turn on the lights. So it literally changes like the image, but based off of the command. So this here is, I'm assuming that they just p and they define something as so that, for example, if you say this image is a demo, if this image is a demo, then this button like changes demo to a different image. And I'm assuming like that. Let's see. Yeah, see, what can JavaScript do? And then P, let's see, on button click. Image ID, my image. So it's called my image. There has to be two images, one with like turn on the light and one with turn off the lights. Yeah, see? Get element my image. As a pick dolphin GIF. Oh, this thing. Oh, I forgot the song. How can I? What is this supposed to be? Nothing. Like Doritos. It's your ad to eat Doritos. I'm just gonna listen to this song, the whole thing. Oh shit, wrong one. I like the Plants vs Zombies thingy in the background. It added like super cool detail. This is my childhood, you guys. Okay, so let's continue. Go. Where did you go? Go. Pure talent. So P JavaScript can change attributes. Okay, so when you say P, it just like generates little text. Can I like add? What if I just like remove the numbers here? Ah, interesting. So if I remove like the number right next to it, it removes the attribute of being bold. So what if I like do this P1? Does it make it bold? Or it doesn't do anything? Okay. So let's change it to H1. Is it gonna be a headline now? Let's change this to like H3. H3 is small enough, I think. Dun, dun, dun. JavaScript can change the HTML attributes of values. Just H3, what can JavaScript do? H3 and H1. And then in P, you just say the text. Beautiful song, by the way. Man, I wish I had more viewers. It'd be fun. Document element by my image, src, pick button GIF. So it's just a button on click. They define the thing, document element by my image. They define it as my image, image ID. See, like you define the ID here. I don't know what src is. That src, pick both and GIF. Oh, I think this is Surge. The pick both and GIF. Turn on. I agree, buddy. So let's listen to it again. Shoulder. I'm gonna dislocate my shoulder just staying like this, like punching back. If this is how we say it in English. Guys, if it's is it unhealthy to like drink a water that tastes like coconut? I don't know. This used to be like a bottle of whiskey, I think. No, limoncello. But it was definitely alcohol, but I like, you know, cleaned it. I mean, I tried to clean it and now I'm drinking water out of it. I hope it's like safe. I don't know. I may die tomorrow. I hope I don't. I want to like develop my app first and like I want 100,000 downloads. I don't care. It's my app and no one else's and I want it to be successful. But button document get element ID. Okay, so this is really easy. That's search. But this is like a new command for me, so I gotta, I wanna like be able to write this button. So on click, it's the same on click. That's how you write it. On clicks equal and this document dot get elements by ID, and then you open the thing. Oh shit, no. So let's go like this. Image. It's a good song, bruh. It's evil. Let me tell you guys something. This song, my girlfriend taught me about this song, and like she regrets it every single day because I open it like 10 times a day. It's such a beautiful song. How can I not open it? Like, come on, buddy. So search. Okay, I'm getting this. Let's go. Let's continue. Pick up. Oh, it would help if I could like type faster. By fall dog give, and then you add parentheses. This guy because I added the documents. And then so this just adds a like button, and then get element by my image to turn off the lights. So I'm just trying to like understand why is these like different. So like it says turn off the light, turn on the light, but they both get the same thing. Ah, never mind. Bulb off GIF, bulb on GIF. So there's two GIFs in the website, and this searches the off and turns off the light. So this is gonna like turn off the lights. I'm gonna say it in Turkish. Anyone know? I'm just gonna say Batman. Where did you go? Go. So if I like run this right now, it's going to add another button. I don't know where it's gonna add it, like here or here, here. I don't know, but when I press it, it's going to do the same function as this one. So let's open it. Let's run this. It's so goofy. Oh, it doesn't work. Interesting. Did I type it incorrectly? Why doesn't it work? Attribute of an image. I don't get it. Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Turn off. Button on click. Okay, this is correct. Get element by ID. I don't get it. Why doesn't the function work? All of the like things are correct, but let me give me a second, guys. I'm trying to understand why it doesn't work. ID my image. Ah, was it like okay, okay, it works now. I remember it was because like there was like a space between. There wasn't supposed to be a space in between them. Now when I like run it, okay, when I turn on the light, when I press Batman, it just closes the lights. Batman. Batman. Okay. This is done. So far so good. So I finished the introduction. I finished the introduction in what? In 30 minutes? Easy peasy. We're going so far so good, guys. I finished the introduction in 30 minutes. We're off to a great start. Okay, script tag. Okay, water break. It's unbelievably hot here. It's 31 degrees, but in this room it's at least 40. Trust me, guys. I'm literally melting alive. Ah, coconut water. My favorite. You like the little thing here? Chad, do you like this one? I think it's cool. I think it's pretty cool. Oh, there's no one watching. Oh, never mind. I thought there was. Wow, 7 views, chat rate 0, concurrent viewers 0. You guys are very, very interested in coding, I see. Lifelong access over 70 plus courses and certifications. That's pretty cool, but I just want to do free exercises. Thank you very much, sir. Original price $1,400. That's a ripoff. That's a ripoff. Ain't nobody like paying $1,400 for 70 plus courses, brother. Like, come on. Like getting certificates, I don't know, maybe, but paying like $1,000 for a cert is just the rip off. There's literally no reason to do that. Okay, so the script tag. So we got the P1, H2, and the starting things, and now it's time for the script tag. So example, document get elemented by demo.inner.html, my first JavaScript and script. In HTML, JavaScript code is inserted between script and script tags. Oh, I didn't know that. The old JavaScript examples may use an attribute script type text JavaScript. Oh, the type attribute is not required. JavaScript is the default scripting language in HTML. JavaScript functions and events. A JavaScript function is a block of JavaScript code. Mm-hmm. JavaScript function, okay, is a block of code that can be executed when called for. For example, when a function can be called uh, when an event occurs, like when the user clicks a button. You will learn much more about the functions and events in later chapters. Oh, okay, this is like very long. So let's try this one first. So HTML dot body, and this is just, not unimportant. I'm just gonna press at. Like it doesn't even do anything. It's just like to inform you, I think. HTML body H2. Let's make this H1 because we like H1 the best. It's bigger. Bigger is always better, guys. That's what she said. So, ID demo. Okay, so we're just defining demo as p string. Oh, I get it. So we're defining demo as this one, like right here. JavaScript and body. Okay, so this is like the printout stuff. This is supposed to print out the demo, like what's inside demo. And then we define demo as my first JavaScript. So it's going to print out my first JavaScript. And this is happening in between scripts. Look, I don't get, so this is supposed to like make this as a function. Scripts. What if I removed like scripts? It's just gonna print out demo, right? Oh, well, that's pretty interesting. Hmm. Let's go scripts. Now I failed. Like, what was I supposed to do it? What is my mistake? I don't get it. That's supposed to like, oh, there's a slash. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay, this one is easy. Man, I'm so hungry right now. I swear. Well, let's try to continue. I'm super hungry, but uh, no, nothing to do. Want to finish this first. Ow, my back. My back. I'm an old man. Feel like an old man. JavaScript in head or body. You can place any number of scripts in HTML documents. Okay, the scripts can be placed in the body or the head section of the HTML page or both. Hmm. So if you think about a page, the body is like the middle and the head is like the top. Oh my God, it's so hot. I want to take this off so bad right now. In this example, a JavaScript function is placed in the head of the section of an HTML page. Hmm. Okay, let me try to understand this. The heat is getting to me. So doc type.html. Mm-hmm. .html head script. So function, my function. Okay, document get element by demo inner HTML. Paragraph changed. Hmm. Script head body. Ooh. So I'm assuming this is one thing, and then we get to body, and then we say H2. H2 is like a bold title. Demo JavaScript in head. PID demo a paragraph. Okay, so button type, button click, try it. Hmm. So there's gonna be a button that says try it exactly, and when I click on this, it's gonna change this to paragraph changed. So let's try it again. So the way you do this is you type HTML and then head and then scripts function. Like, I don't know if you can call these parentheses. What do you call them in English? Like weird parentheses? Weird parentheses? Okay. Let's try to like write this. HTML. So function is fun. It seems like a font name. Is the song, you don't know. I mean, nobody's watching, so please, YouTube gods, please send somebody to watch. I'm so bored. I want to talk to someone. Fuck. Please, YouTube gods. YouTube, don't fall. The freaking phone. It keeps falling. Please, YouTube gods, send a friend or someone. Please. I miss my followers. I remember like when I live streamed, there was like 10 viewers. I know it's not a big benchmark, but still, there was 10 people, man. S-Funk. I'm losing my mind. Okay, let's continue. So we open the thing here and let's do the old tricks, and in here we select that tab and documents. It's always the same, like gets element by ID by as I think it's like this, okay, and then we put parentheses, this, and let's call it demon. I don't like demo. I keep mispronouncing as demo, so I'm just gonna say demon. Demon dot inner HTML. Oh, this is actually correct. Boronier was cool name. Boronier was here. Let's change this and put this. Mhm. So this function is sfunc. There's another function, but I need to like define a string by like this thing again. So oh, there's a function, but there's no p. So if I just write the p here, like body, is it gonna write it on body or the head? So this let's see, this is in the head. So I'm gonna try to write it in the body. I don't know. Let's write this one. So PID equals um demon. I watch too much anime, man. I messed up. The PID demon, and then it's gonna say LeBron James. LeBron James is a demon. James. I know it doesn't make sense, but who cares, okay? And we close the thing again, if I remember correctly, but we implement slash p LeBron James. And if I run this, it's gonna say LeBron James, and we press the thing. Oh, it's not gonna work because when I try, it's gonna like change this, but it's gonna say LeBron James, but I wanna like add another button. So button type. Oh, I gotta do this. My bad, guys. Bottom type equals There's no space in between. Button. I forgot to open the song. I was like, why is it so quiet? There's no song. What a beautiful song. Back. Oh, my back. It's because I can't rest my back. Button type is gonna be button and on the. And then we do this and slash. Hmm. So we have to like write it before like the other string, like right next to it. Hmm. So the function doesn't work, I'm assuming. Why might that be? I don't get it, but it's supposed to like delete the run and it's supposed to say the run here was here. Ah, okay. But I get the main point though. Like I need to understand like the head and the thing better, but it's BRB. I need like a 5 minute break. Because I'm so hungry and I can't even focus out of my hunger. I gotta like eat something. So let's do. It's not gonna be a break, but let's just like do this. I think this is on. If we go here, I think it's gonna be fine. Let's mute the mic. What's up, guys? Sorry I took so long. Okay, one second. So, you're not gonna believe what happened. So, I went out and like bought. Let me look it up. Let me see like what it is in English. I don't know the English version of it, so I need to like look it up. So let me just do that. Oh my God. Gas cylinder? Yeah. So we ran out of like gas cylinder, like it didn't have any gas in it, so I had to like go change it. And I had to wait for the guy for like 20 minutes outside, because all I wanted to do was like make an omelet, in which I couldn't because I didn't want to make you guys wait for another like 30 minutes. But I guess since nobody's watching, there's no point in like not making you guys wait. I mean, right? Hey, zero concurrent viewers. That's the record. Okay, let's continue a little more and then I'll go eat. Literally nobody watching. Oh, I got 3 likes. Hey, so that I'm live streaming so much. How many lives I had? Hey, hey. I got so many live streams. That's so cool. I'm looking at my channel right now. Okay, let's continue. Let's go back to the work. Let's go back to the work. Let's go. Chama. Okay, so what do we have here? Script head. In this example, a JavaScript function is placed in the head section of the HTML page. The function is invoked calls when the button is clicked. I think I did this, didn't I? Nope. Let's demo. And that code the sound of this bad boy. So HTML head script, and then you do this in script head body. H2. Hmm. So is this like a must? Like that's what I'm like really curious about. Is this like supposed to be like unbreakable? And is that the reason why when I try to like write another function outside this that it didn't work? Body HTML. So this is literally closing the thing, button type button, on click my function, try it button. So it's just gonna say when I press it's gonna say paragraph changed. It's the same thing. I like looked at this already. JavaScript and body. So let's look at it this way. It's pretty interesting to like learn about this. It's super interesting, in my opinion. Let's see. Man, I'm so hungry. I want to go to the gym, but like, I got like a little spine injury in my back, my lower back. Like, I was afraid that was like hemorrhagic disc. Is that what is it called? Hemorrhagic disc. I was afraid like it was kind of like a that scenario because the way I've been like picking up and like dropping weights is like affecting my spine. I just realized it. I thought my form was perfect, like a triangle, triangular shape or like the flat back, but no, it's important how you like drop the weight as well. So for example, when I'm doing rows with like heavy weights, for example, like 100 kgs, when you're doing rows, like and when you like immediately like drop it, that weight like you know puts a lot of stress on your spine, and that's why like especially your lower back spine and your discs, and that's what I didn't realize. And it hurt for like a couple of days, but I think it's went away. I'm not really sure. I don't want to like really push it. Well, when I was like trying to swim yesterday, it felt so good swimming. Like I can literally like feel my spine like opening up when I was trying to swim. That felt like really, really good. So I want to swim again, but yeah, let's see. Get element by the. It's actually pretty cool music. So what's the difference here? So it's body, we're gonna define a demo, a paragraph right here, and then we're gonna do a button, type an on click, my function. So instead of just like writing this part, like on here, we just say my function. And I think like we can make the function way bigger, 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 bigger. But if I'm not mistaken, I think we can just do it like instead of like writing my function, we can just write document that get elected by ID. This thingy here. Oh, we gotta do it in between scripts. That's interesting. I think I'm getting the picture. Okay. I gotta train like writing these as well later. But for now, I think it's fine. Oh, it continues. Oh, never mind, it continues. Okay, body is external JavaScript. Scripts can also be placed in external files, function, my function. Okay, so we define a function named my function and document get elected by get elements by. What can I read? So element by demo, inner HTML paragraph change, external file. First are practical, and the same code is used in many different web pages. JavaScript files, the files version with JC. Use an external script, put the name of the script in the file and the sorry. Oh, that's not search, that's source. Oh, well, I was close, okay. I was actually close. External scripts cannot contain script tags. Interesting to learn. External JavaScript advantages. Placing a script in external file system advantages. It separates HTML and code. It makes HTML and JavaScript easier to read and maintain. Pack, Pacht, Cacht, Cacht. Is that how you? I have no idea how you pronounce this. Blah blah JavaScript files can speed up page loads. Oh. Well, I'm not trying to make a page, but I might as well try just to like learn, of course. External references. An external script can be referenced in three different ways with the URL. This example full of URL to link myscript.jc. So I want to try this. So what the hell is this? So where's the function? Hmm. Scripts source, my scripts.jc. I'm trying to understand, but like due to heat and being hungry, it's making it difficult. It's fine, I'm smart, I'll get it. But just give me time. External JavaScript, paragraph. Okay, so just where do we define the function? So I'm assuming there's a like a um what is it called? A file that we don't know named myscript.jc, and it has uh the function that when you press this it changes this from this to, you know, paragraph changed, paragraph changed. Hmm. These are just to like show texts here. This is the main thing. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do that. Let me try to write that down. Is it gonna change anything? Nah. I can also like copy this and just like just like this. Yeah, like I got the thing, I get this, it's easy. It's made in H2. Like that texting thing is easy. Place an external script reference, header body as you like. Okay, I get that. External JavaScript, it makes the thing load easier because you just use several script tags. Script 1, script 2. These are like different files that you like get from, right? An external script can be referenced in 3 different ways with the full URL. Oh, so it's not a file, it's like a script from a web page? In this example, use the full URL to link to my script.jc. Example is file path /jc. Yeah, slash my computer stuff. It just imports a file from your computer from a thing, I think, and this is just the URL for in which the script is encoded in. You basically like scrap information out of a website or your computer or like from a file. You're just Hmm. No, I get it. This is easy. Let's go to the next one. JavaScript outputs. Outputs. JavaScript display possibility. JavaScript can display data in different ways. Writing an HTML element using inner HTML. So I know the inner HTML. I don't know these other ones. So we haven't like made exercises about these ones. Anybody in the chat? Nope. I'm all alone. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, writing in its elements. Writing into an alert box using Windows alerts. Writing into a browser console using console.log. Inner HTML. So get elements by ID is access HTML elements. JavaScript can use it. So when we open this, it's just gonna print 5 plus 6. Is it gonna give the answer? But it's not like a function. I think it's just gonna print out 5 plus 6. Oh, why is that? Let me try to like find out. Okay, I get this, I get this, I get this. When you like just like type numbers, does it see it as like uh what if I did this? Ah, see, I made it into a string. Okay, so if you don't use like these symbols, it just like does the math equation for you, which is like really cool. But if you like put it on strings, it just like so what if I like no, we can't do it like this. Oh well, it's fine. So I get it. You gotta like script to like write a code here. I get that. Not the best in explaining the value. So I know MySQL, I know Excel, I know SQL2, I know Python, I know C, and all beginner levels of course, but let's learn this bad boy to outputs. Document writes. Oh, it's just gonna say here. Never call a document write after the document has finished loading. It will overwrite the whole document. What? Document writes. So you're saying that I'm supposed to put this like here instead of like here? Or Ah, but don't take like call document. You gotta like write document. Document that's call is incorrect and document that write is correct. What are you saying? I'm gonna run this. Okay, it's already been being run. I wonder if I can do like integrals here. Probably not. I don't need to like put in like X in this. I don't have the patience to figure that out. Use the document that right after the HTML document is loaded with delete all existing HTML. I don't get it. Like, how do you define HTML document is loaded or not? Like, you mean on the right side? Is it gonna delete the whole thing and it's just gonna like write 11? Ah, so I was right. So why did this happen? Trying to understand my first. So when you use it in like a button call, it just like evaporates, but I don't know the reason. So this has been loaded. Ah, so that's why it's happening. So that has been loaded, like the in the old like previous thing. For example, in this one, like it's already been loaded. It's not something that you can load. Oh, for example, in this one, yeah, I get the difference, but I can't express it in words. It all existing HTML. Yeah, I get it. There's window alerts. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna be finishing all these in this stream. How long has it been? 1 hour, 30 minutes. I'm gonna go to food break in like 30 minutes. Oh. Oh. Ah. I'm tired as hell. I'm not used to like working this hard because I've been chilling the whole summer. Man, I should have been working. Well, guys, my girlfriend forced me to like chill, so I gotta start back at the grind. I can't just like start with 12 hours a day study like my old style. I have to like work up to it, I know. So right now I'm literally getting like 2%, yields. Yields? Like from using this. Come on, come on. Put your mind to it, put your mind and I know what I need to do. Guys, I know what I need to do. Hmm. did you go? Go, go, go. Hmm. Where did she go? Go. I've grown. I am in the zone. You'll have girls all across the globe. You'll find me in the saddest show. It's supposed to be my new this ain't rock and roll. I can drive it slow. It's something else. Let's not go. That's not. Yeah, I don't know the lyrics. That's in my head, kid. It's not fold. Where did she go? Go. Did she go? Go. Where did you go? Go. Where did she go? Right now. No, Bill. Oh. In the second row. He fresh. And so, please, some mad. So, no, it's my head. Like Doritos. That's my head. He's evil though. I get you, fam. I get you. Okay, let's continue. That gave me like the boost of motivation. Let's go. Using window alerts. Alert box. My eyes hurt for some reason. You can use an alert box to display data. Okay, examples. Okay, this is familiar. HTML, the body, H1. My first. Oh, hey, it's bigger. I like this. My first web page script, window alerts. So there's a difference between window alerts and this document writes. You can skip the window keywords. Oh, can I? Just alert 5 plus 6. Oh. In JavaScript, the window object is a global scope object. This means the variables, properties, and methods by default belong to the window object. It also means that specifying the window keyword is optional. But I mean, if it already belongs to the thing, why not even specify it? Window alert. Just say alert 5 plus 6. So what does this like give me? Just 11? Oh. Ah, it's literally a command from the thing. It's literally a window alert. Oh shit. Why did it not work? So oh, I gotta write this. Now I can make the meme. And when you run it, whatever. If somebody was watching that, they probably moved before me, so that means I win. Uh, yeah, I'm so stupid. Okay, let's just close this. I get the point. And just alert 5 plus 6. Console log. For debugging purposes, you can call the console log for methods in the browser to display data. You will learn more about debugging in the later chapter. Yeah, I had no idea what debugging is. Like removing bug, like clearing bug. No idea. I'm like a Neanderthal when it's like coding. But I'm gonna learn, guys. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna show you that you can learn too. I wish like the things were like more meant for people who don't know versus these are just like um I don't know. If I were to like create an app, which I'm planning to do, like I can make a course that is like literally better than this. I know they're not trying to do like good courses because obviously they're trying to sell their premium course by $1,400. The fucking crazy maniacs. And like for instead of like when you pay $1,400, they're gonna give you the best thing in the world, and that's and certifications, 70 courses. I know like you can lifelong access. I get it, but like I don't know. It's just like this is only like this, so you can like pay money to them. But I don't know. If I were to like create a website or a thing that lets you study coding, I would make it like super cheap so everybody can learn. And I would make better exercises than this, and I would give like more detail into explanations on like what everything is, what's for example, what this is, what this is, what this is, what this is, and what does this do. Even though it's like really common in every single coding language, I would still like try to like explain it as much as possible so like people who are trying to like do it would understand it better. I don't know. So console log. Mm. So we're just oh, I didn't even know you were supposed to. Then set a console debugger menu, then click run again. Damn, these guys know so much. That's so cool. What is this? So you're just writing in a console of like the thing F12 thing. This is like inspecting tool. Hey, Adam is here. What's up, Adam? No way, learning coding? Yeah, yeah, I am. I did make a video about it, like saying I want to do this, I want to do that. So my girlfriend is like, "Oh, you're not different than those like 12-year-olds who are trying to like, do you know like the videos on Instagram, where they like say they want to try to become a billionaire at the age of 13 or like some bullshit like that." So there, I was making mockery out of this to my girlfriend, and then when I like stated, "Oh, I'm gonna make a video like this," she said like, "Oh, you're no different than those like kids," and made fun of me. So here I am like learning coding. I'm gonna prove her that I'm gonna do this. So like so focused right now. You're also like pretty good at this stuff too, I'm assuming. You're like a front and back end coding. Like you know those two. F12 on your keyboard will activate debug. Okay, so I did this. Hmm. Okay, so these are like super, easy stuff, I think. How was the learning process? So in this stream, like I came far. The whole thing, I was just like consistent on like writing, because it's like when you're not trying to like learn coding, it's more important that you write instead of just reading. And so the whole stream, I was just trying to like type, 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 and yeah. But it's so far so good. I think I'm gonna stop at like maybe syntax or comments or variables. I'm gonna like stop somewhere here. I wanna like continue more. So let's go to print. Print this page. Okay, let's continue. JavaScript does not have any print objects or print methods. You cannot access output devices from JavaScript. The only exception is that you can call the window print methods in the browser to print the content of the current window. So let's try it. Window print methods. Click the button. So window prints. That's so cool. So you can like there's like multiple commands like this in the thing. Click the button on the current page. Okay, so I get how you write this. H2P. So there's a button and it has a function to window prints. Oh, just window print function just means like print the whole thing. So when you press this, it just prints the. That's so cool. I'm gonna save it as a PDF. This is like a memory. Okay, so I got the window print. These are like the things that I need to like look back on after the stream, but for now it's fine. Let's go to the next one. So JavaScript statements. Ooh. So the statements seem like let x, y, z. Okay, so this is like a variable, you know, how do you say it in English? You give value to like variables like x, y, z, x, y, z. So statements, x equals 5. Okay, this is so easy. This is literally like, what is it called? I keep forgetting the English words of these. Algebra? I don't know. Algebra is pretty easy. Like, W3 schools, yeah. When I was learning when I was learning to code, I never really used these kind of website. I just watched a 3-hour video course, let small personal projects to practice. Yeah, I want to do like project things too, but right now everyone has a different studying technique. Exactly, but I'm gonna do those too. But just because I'm streaming right now, I don't want to like stream others people content. That's like being a content thief. But like for example, an information like this on the internet is for completely free for everyone to access. So might as well just like study here and like stream here. So I can both simultaneously stream and also study for this. But of course, in my free time when I'm not streaming, I'm gonna do just like you did, and because that's like the best way of learning, I think. It's not by like these like learning statements and functions, but by like implementing them in like various projects. Mm. So let's see. JavaScript statements. Okay, these are. Oh, I see this for the first time. So B means bold, I'm assuming. So it just bolds like the whole thing. But H means bold too. Does this mean like the head title or something? Adam, do you know? List of statements to be executed by a computer. It's pretty easy actually. So we just like get element by ID demo. We define demo right here. Like it's going to be here. It's gonna print it out the value. Oh, this is interesting. I've seen this for the first time. It's a header tag. Ah, see, I was close. Not that close, but are you also learning HTML? Well, I'm trying to learn like front-end coding first, but I think that's JavaScript is the easiest way, and like HTML is like HTML does have JavaScript vibes. But like I don't know, like I'm trying to learn JavaScript, but I think this is some part of like HTML too. So I'm learning both, I think. But I think this is like I'm trying to build like a user interface. So I'm gonna look at like building user interface projects on YouTube like after streaming. And I wanna see like I wanna make projects like this, but first I wanna like understand these stuff because there's so much here. But like you said, I mean I think like building projects is the best way to learn like coding. Mm. HTML, JavaScript, and CSS all at once. Good luck, man. I know. I'm gonna need a lot of good luck, brother. Like it's ugh. I don't know. It's gonna take some time, but let's see. Like maybe when the university starts again, I'm gonna like ask one of my professors for like help. I'm also like using ChatGPT too, so it does like kind of it give me like a roadmap to like go because I don't really know like how to create an app. I never created an app in my life before. And I don't know how it works. I don't know what you need to do. And apparently, there's like some interesting stuff. I looked it up from like ChatGPT. It's like um React Native. And so when I like looked at React Native, which is basically like I think how can I describe this? This is like an app. This is like a program that you install. It's like it combines Java and many other like coding things, coding languages, and it allows you to like make apps in iOS and Android, like both. But when I searched it up, it was like $30,000, like crazy amounts of money. So I said like, uh, how can I like program an app for free or like for low budgets? And it said like, uh, apparently I was looking for something different. And there's like free resources for learning and like GitHub, other stuff like that. I don't know. I'm gonna like I need to like dig down really, really, really deep. It's gonna take time, but I mean, I have all the time in the world. Like it's gonna be fine. I think I completely should have started React. Sorry. Yeah, React Native is like literally it's something really big. Yeah, I need to like React Native can like come after I learn about JavaScript or like make some projects about it and like learn some other stuff too. So I know MySQL because I did like projects on it back in 2022, I believe, or 2023. Like a year ago, I remember like making projects about MySQL and like attracting data and also like Python projects like web scraping and other stuff like that. Like I know how to like code in C and Python, and I know how to like code in MySQL. Um, but like Java, I never like even attempted in my life before, so that's why it's like a difference. like a little different for me. But I am learning. Like it's gonna take time. I'm gonna look about the thing Flutter. I'm gonna like screenshot that actually. I'm gonna screenshot it right now. I'm gonna take a look at it after stream. I'm gonna like try to find a thing, and I wanna like make this app come to reality. Yeah, exactly. It's pretty hard to start with. I will take your recommendation into like I will take your advice for it because you know like way better than me. Did I close the Why did I close the music? Mm. There you go, the music is way better. Okay, this is fine. I think there's nothing I didn't really understand. It's just let's x, y, z, and then this. So you define the values for each, and then you set z as two, you know, addition of these two different statements, and then you elect the demo as code value of z is plus z plus dots. Hmm. I just don't understand why did we like did this. What if we just like do this? What's gonna change? Nothing. So like these plus signs define something. Define that it has to be like added. It's an addition. Does I think it like defines addition. 14. Very interesting. So this is a must when I'm like trying to print out the value of z because it's an addition in the statements. If it was just like number, maybe I could like put x. What if I just value of x is it gonna work? Nope. Got the plus for this too. Hmm, that's so interesting. So plus is like using plus plus is a must. It's not like something you can disregard. Okay, this is true for numbers or for statements. Okay. I am learning though. I am definitely learning. I mean, looking at this code, there's not really much I don't understand. There's the script part. You just write script code in here. It makes sense. Okay, let's move on. JavaScript programs. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statements. JavaScript program is a list of programming statements. Exactly. In HTML, JavaScript programs are executed by a web browser. Huh. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. The statement tells the browser to write hello Dolly inside an HTML element ID demo. Selected by HTML hello Dolly. Show yourself. I want to see. Hmm. I'm so sad that my like short didn't get any views. It only got 39 views. That's so bad. Like there's no. It's 10 out of 10. Like it's the worst video ever in the last 10 videos. But I'm just gonna keep pushing. I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna continue. Let's see. Nope, this is wrong. Where was I? I forgot. Huh, I was right here. Let me open the chat. I'm looking at my chat from my phone here. Also, Adam, thank you so much for like coming to the streams. There's literally no one besides you. You're my number one, like, number one fan. I appreciate it so much. Du-du. How long has it been? It's been like 2 hours. My brain is like a mush. Like, it hurts when I open my eyes. Hmm. You know, HTML, JavaScript statement execute by browser. Hello, Dolly. I have a break right now, so I thought that I would tune in. That's cool. Thank you so much. I told you I'm gonna stream every single day. I'm not gonna miss a single day. I want to be like consistent with it, but otherwise, if I don't be consistent, I'm never gonna like see a growth in my channel. Okay, this is easy, I think. Demo, hello Dolly, HTML. Okay. Semicolons. Semicolons separate JavaScript statements, add a semicolon. What the hell is a semicolons? Oh, this? It's the same thing they're doing, but just in a different way. So inner HTML. In the last one, it was a little bit different. It had like plus signs, but in this, it's a little bit different. Let's just see. I think this one is easier to use. Get element by ID, demo one. Demo, it's not demo. Why do I keep saying it wrong? Just give it a white space. Oh, so you don't have to do it like, without a space. You can actually put space. A good practice is to put spaces around the operators. Yeah, I just did that. Okay. JavaScript line length and line breaks. For best readability, programmers like to often avoid code lines that are longer than 80 characters. JavaScript statement does not fit in one line. Best place to break it is after an operator. Oh. Is this more than 80 lines? Really? Operator or a comma. Interesting, very interesting. Again, I believe that there might be a problem with the title. Maybe naming it something like streaming until I develop an app from scratch might work better. Stream from the mind of a new viewer. What would them want to click? But like streaming until if I do it in parts, it makes sense. But I'm not going to develop an app this stream because like I'm so like thousands of hours away from like doing it. So it might take me like a year to like actually like do it fully. What would make them want to click? The thing is, it's not getting recommended. It's not like click rate is low. The click rate is, I think, relatively same, like 4%, 5%. For instance, like Mr. Beast gets like CTR, which is click-through rate of 8%. So my videos like 4%, 5% is really good. But the thing is, like YouTube just doesn't recommend it to people. It's only got 28 views because it doesn't get recommended. For example, my old live streams would get like 10,000 recommendations and like few like 4% click. That means like 400 people like go in, and then obviously not in the same time. For example, if the live stream is for like 6 hours, and 400 people will come like in 6 hours, like different time zones. I know that developing a full app in one stream is impossible, but you have to bait them. I know, I know. I can try that too, but there's just gonna be angry commenters. Oh, where's the stream? Oh, I mean, where's the app? I didn't click for this. Like this guy. I know that there's gonna be like kids like that. I just know it. I can do it. I'll try. How long have I been streaming for? It's been 2 hours, so I think that's enough for today. Like 2 hours of streaming because, like I said, I haven't been like working. Like I've been just like just lying down watching Rick and Morty the whole summer. I need to like get back on track on like discipline. So I'm not used to studying for like very long time. I'm gonna go take a break for like an hour and then I'm gonna come back and study. So I think the most efficient way to do it is by closing the stream right now and like continuing to do like projects like you said. I think it's the best one in my opinion. I hate the like, delay so much. I hate delay so much. There's like a 30-second delay. It's so annoying. I wish I could like fix the delay, but there's nothing you can do about it. And there's nothing I can do about it, not you. Wish I could like fit all of this here, but I can't. Alright, I'll be streaming most likely tomorrow too, and probably every single day. We'll talk in the stream tomorrow probably. Take care, buddy. I'm gonna stop the stream right now. Also, like, good luck with your. Are you like? You said you were doing. You said you were taking a break, so I'm assuming you have like a business coding. My brain is not functioning right now. Bye bye, man. Take care. You're taking a break from coding, so it's appropriate to say good luck with coding. Why am I actually thinking about that? I'm so stupid. Just take care. I'll see you. My brain is